Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. So today I thought it would be really fun to show you some spring outfits that I've been thinking of. I know that at the moment we will not really have the chance to wear our lovely spring outfits outside. However, there's no harm in getting dressed up and staying at home, or getting dressed up and going in the garden or going for a little walk. I think we just have to try and make the best out of this situation that is going on in the world at the moment. And that is what this video is for, just to spread a bit of positivity and kind of happiness and just chatting about fashion and nice things to try and distract us all and keep our minds off things, because that is half the battle at the moment, is just staying distracted. So there's quite a few new subscribers to my channel and I really want to just give you guys a huge warm welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you for stopping by and welcome to my Pink Angel family. I'm so excited to have you. This is such an uncertain time of the world, but I'm just really glad that you guys have found me and we can just chat about happy, positive things and just try and make this a really nice, positive place on the internet where we don't need to worry and we can just focus on nice things. I'm really excited that you guys have found my channel and I am all ready to just go ahead and show you guys some outfits. So recently I did a little order a new look a couple of weeks ago and I got 4 things and I just styled them all. So I just thought it'd be fun to style those new pieces and show you guys the full outfits rather than just doing a simple haul. I would show you guys how I'm going to be styling them. And also I have an outfit which I got last year and I actually haven't worn it yet. So currently my bed is just covered in clothes, but it's organised chaos. So at the moment I am going to be filming a lot more videos and I'm not sure if I'm going to have a specific schedule yet, so please do make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just at @AlohaAmy_, because I will be updating you on there when I post a new video. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you outfit number 1. Okay, so please don't mind the mess in the background. I've got a lot of outfits laid out there, but this is what the outfit looks like. I really like it. I've just paired the beautiful white lacy top with this pink high-waisted skirt, which is from ASOS. I will link it. And then I've just popped on these really cute tights. They're just very sheer black, but they also have this really lovely seam up the back and I just think that they look really pretty. And then with that I popped on these shoes, which are just stunning. I'm obsessed with these shoes. They're from a company called Paradox London and I got these in Debenhams and I'm obsessed with them. So I paired them with that. This clutch bag I've had for ages and it's just a really simple envelope clutch and I just think it looks really classy to kind of carry it around like this. And yeah, I just love this look. I think it's really pretty and simple. I think it's very pretty, kind of Blair Waldorf vibes, and I did wear this first without the tights, but I felt like it needed something. Maybe if I was fake tanned it would be better, but I just looked way too pale, so I popped on the tights and I just think that brought the look together a bit more. The next thing that I got from New Look is this stunning dress. I am absolutely obsessed with this. I just love the gorgeous puffy sleeves, like they're just so pretty. Once again I've paired that with this bag because I just think it's really simple and elegant. I've popped on the really nice sheer tights with the seam up the back and then these gorgeous heels which are from Guess, and I'm obsessed with these. They're just so beautiful. They are incredibly beautiful. I love these. They're super easy to walk in as well. And I just think that this looks a really chic and classy, elegant look. And my hair is in a little kind of low chignon bun at the back, which I think looks really nice with this look. Or I would also pair it with a really nice high sleek ponytail. I think that would look stunning also. And maybe a red lip if I was feeling bold. But yeah, I love this dress. I think it's so pretty. I love the puffy sleeves and it's just super simple with the high neck. I think it makes it a lot more classy with a high neck, and yeah, I just love it. These sleeves are just beautiful. I know on this channel I'm all about the pink, but I do love a little black dress and you just sometimes can't go wrong, and this outfit is just really gorgeous and classy and I really love this. Okay, so my next outfit features these gorgeous pink trousers, which if you will probably not remember, but I bought these last year, I think in like autumn time. I found them at the Marks and Spencer's outlet, so they won't be available anymore. However, I will try and find a pair of pink trousers similar somewhere online but these ones are just so lovely. They're just a really nice loose material, and they have this gorgeous kind of high waist. They're high-waisted as well, and they just have a really cute little kind of buckle here and really nice pockets. And I just love these trousers. I literally just took the tag off them though in my wardrobe because I hadn't worn them yet. And I've paired them with this top, which I got from Topshop, I think when I was still in high school, so a long time ago, but I will find again something similar. I think a nice little lacy vest top looks really, really cute with this. This whole outfit gives me major Serena van der Woodsen vibes because she wears a pair of trousers like this when she is in the Hamptons. She dresses it up a little bit differently, but this is how I styled it, and I just absolutely love this look. And I've got this really cute bag, which again I will link below. I love this bag, it's so cute. I love the whole see-through vibe, and the pink and the blue, and the pink is the exact same colour as the trousers, so it's perfect. Along with this, I've also got these gorgeous shoes, which I got for my birthday last year. They're so fun and beautiful. I love these. They're very kind of Katy Perry, California Girls, or like Taylor Swift kind of vibe, and I just adore them. And these are from Faith. A lot of my shoes are from Faith. I think they're such gorgeous shoes, and I absolutely love this whole look. And yeah, this is the look. I really like this whole look. It's very fun and bright and happy, and that is exactly the kind of vibe that we need at the moment. Positive, happy, bright colours. So this skirt is from New Look, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's this gorgeous, it's meant to be a midi skirt, but this is like on my waist, and it's pretty much a maxi skirt on me, and I am pretty tall. I'm 5'8", so I'm obsessed with this. It's so gorgeous and sparkly and pretty. I just love the pleats. I think it's so delicate. So I have just paired this with a little white t-shirt. It's actually like a little cropped tee from New Look, but I've just tucked it in and kind of pulled it out, and I just think it looks really nice, like cinching in my waist. And then with that, I've also popped on these gorgeous court shoes, once again from Faith. These are so fun. I love, love, love these. And the pink at the front here just ties in really nicely with the pink in the skirt. And then the bag that I've popped on is this Michael Kors one, which I love. It looks very pretty with this, and it's very kind of evening holiday vibes, which I really like. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this outfit. It's such a gorgeous skirt. Okay, so the final outfit features this shirt, which again I found on New Look, and I saw this ages ago and just was obsessed with it, and it took me a while to buy it, but I'm really glad that I did. I love the gorgeous puffy sleeves. I think they're so pretty, and it's this really nice sheer black shirt. You can also get it in white, but I like the black best because I think it shows up these little embroidered flowers really, really nicely. So I have just simply paired that with this little lacy bralette underneath, which I just think looks quite chic. And then these light wash jeans, which are from Quiz. And I feel like wearing the lighter jeans with the dark top makes it a bit more kind of springy, because I did originally think it would look really nice with black jeans, but I feel like that's more of a winter outfit. So I went with the lighter jeans, and I really like it. And then I've also gone back in with the Michael Kors bag because it's so pretty, and I feel like it's a nice kind of casual bag as well as being quite dressy. It can be more kind of like a casual daytime bag. And then with that, I popped on my Collet Spring court shoes, which I'm obsessed with. I got these on my 21st birthday in the Collet Spring shop in Vancouver, and they have a glass heel. Like, look at that, how pretty. And they're the perfect baby pink colour, and I just think this whole outfit is really cute and chic, and I just think it's a really nice outfit. So yeah, I really like how this looks, and again, I think with my hair down or maybe in a nice high pony, it would look really, really pretty. And yeah, that is this final look. So that is everything for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing the outfits that I've styled. I had a lot of fun looking through all of these clothes and piecing together the outfits, and let me know which one is your favourite because I'd be really interested. So I hope that you guys are all doing okay and keeping entertained, and again, I'm really thankful if you have found my channel and you are enjoying it. I just want to make sure that I'm posting lots of content which is happy and positive and keeps us all entertained, because we need that right now, and we need a bit of positivity. So I'm really, really grateful that you found my channel. So thank you so, so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!